Hello, we are currently out here on our field visit in a small farm in the outskirts of Nasik district. So, we over here are going to demonstrate how our project, which is a self driven seed sowing rover, is going to be useful in this environment so as to sow seeds. So, this is a small farm, and I have talked to the villagers over here in the homes you can see behind over there, and they have explained me properly how the entire process of sowing seeds happens. So what they do is consider this patch. Now I currently cannot walk over this environment, the soil over there, since the seeds have already been sown. So consider this small thing. So they use this tool to dig up a small hole like this, just a small hole. Then they place this seed. Now this is currently just a raisin since they did not give me any actual seeds. So we place this raisin like this and cover the mud back up. So that's how the entire process of sowing is done. So we over here, our project tends to automate this entire process by presenting a self-driven seed sowing rover. And note that this process is repeated again after a specific distance, and this distance is based purely based on experience. So they did not use any measurement device or anything so as to predict what should be the distance between the two seeds. So our project also evolves in such a way that we can input the amount of distance in which you want to plant the seeds. Thank you.
Hello everyone, we are team 7990. The project title of ours is Self-Driven Seed Sowing Rover. Here are the hardware requirements of our project. So basically these are the brain of the system, Arduino development board and Raspberry computer. Next are the body of the system. First is soil digger, weed cutter, metal flaps, tires and skeleton of the rover. Next are the control elements. These are geared DC motor, brushed DC motor, ultrasonic sensor and an IR sensor. Now following are the software requirements of our project. First is Arduino IDE, Fusion 360, Raspbian, MATLAB, Flutter and Blink and Proteus software. Here are the references for all the images used in the PPT.
Greetings to everyone. We are Team 7990 for E-Yantra Innovation Challenge. Our project topic is self-driven seeds over a bot, and I'm Sarvesh from the team, and I'm going to talk about in short about how we are proceeding with the 3D model of a project. So the most important part of our project is the basic elements. In this mid submissions, we are trying to make the submit the basic elements of our project. The basic elements over here are the driller. So the driller which we have made is of helical structure, as we can see over here. This is how the driller looks. Here we have made a helical structure. This is the axis and this is the tip which is going to insert inside the mud. So the mechanism which we are going to use, basically the principle which we are going to use behind this is, as the motor is going to rotate, this helical structure will also rotate and the tip is going to rotate, and this entire driller will go inside the mud, and as the pit is formed, it will come back again into its original position. So this is basically the function of the driller. Moving to the next part which we have made is the tires. The tires of the bot have been made by the team, and the speciality of these tires are made in a form that they are of tractor tires version. So when we zoom in, we are able to see that the tires have the blade-like structure. This is because in order to overcome the obstacle which are formed by the sticky mud. So there are chances, if the mud is sticky, then the bot may get stuck into the mud. In order to overcome such obstacles, what we have done is we have designed these tires in such a way that they are similar to that of the tractor tires, and this is basically these are the basic elements which we have designed till now in the software Fusion 360 by Autodesk. So that's all from our side for the 3D modeling in the mid submissions. Thank you.